Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Spain. So in order to do it, first of all, you will have to simply use the search bar, and in the search bar, you need to search for PayPal. Now, once you are searching for PayPal, you will be landed on PayPal's homepage from Spain. Now, if you want to know whether PayPal service is available in Spain or not, you need to come on this page. So here on this page, you need to press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and search for Spain. As you can see that in Europe, Spain is available. So click on this link so that you will be landed on PayPal's Spanish page of account creation. So here you will see a language either in English or Spanish. So you can select the one of your choice. Now click on Crear Cuenta and then you will be landed on this page. Here it will ask whether you want to open a personal account or an Empresa account. So after selecting the account type, you need to simply click on compensar. Then you will be landed on this page where make sure Spanish is selected here. Then provide your email address and press next. On the next page, you need to fill out a simple form that includes your personal details. Then create a strong password for your PayPal account to log in. This way, you will be able to open your PayPal account in Spain very easily. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.